Hello everyone, welcome to Soft.io Vin, the YouTube channel dedicated to websites and WordPress. In this video, we will explore how to read the color code of a color and how to extract the color code from any point in an image. To start, I will open Google and search for the keyword. Soft. The keyword is .color, soft.io.vn. This is the color code lookup homepage. You can look up color codes by entering any color code here. I can type any color code here, and I will discover what color corresponds to it, and other colors if necessary. Moreover, I can upload an image to extract the color from here. Let me use an example image. This is an image from the previous video. Here is the image shown here.